Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Highlander versus Honda Odyssey. Follow along as we evaluate space, seating, fuel economy, safety features, and ownership costs so you can choose confidently. I will walk through passenger comfort, cargo flexibility, tech, and driver experience using simple examples and clear comparisons. By the end, you will know which model better matches family needs, commuting habits, and budget priorities in plain terms. We start with space and seating because size often decides the winner. I describe how sliding doors, seat folds, and third-row usability affect daily loading and passenger comfort. Think about car seats, groceries, and sports gear when comparing cargo volume and floor height. I point out how easy it is to install seats, fold rows, and access the rear for busy families. These practical details help match the vehicle to your routine. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces sealed and lunches neat, perfect for packing snacks before a road trip in your Highlander or Odyssey. It saves spills and stress and even fits nicely in cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we cover driving, efficiency, and what you pay over time so you get the full picture. I compare engine feel, handling, and available hybrid options, plus real-world fuel numbers you can expect. Then we look at maintenance patterns, typical repair costs, and resale tendencies to estimate total ownership. These factors matter for budget planning and long-term satisfaction, so I keep the info practical and easy to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.